Alright guys, so it's currently 4:22 in the morning and I'm working on this. I'm changing out the hydraulic lifters. I've already changed 8 of them, so halfway there. Hopefully I finish by like 6 or something. The tool I'm using is this tool. It makes it like so much easier. I'll show you guys. It's all like greasy, but here we go. So you just insert it in here and then you like pry up, and while you do that you like just slide this to the side and it'll pop right up. And then they just slide out like so. The brand I'm using to replace them are Topline. Got them on Extreme PSI. They were like $100. Not bad. So before you put the new one in, you're gonna want to grab like an Allen key, and you're gonna push down to get all the oils out. Alright, so once you fully bleed it, it should compress like that. And go ahead and put it in. Here's the other one. Setup on how to do it. Basically just do it until the liquid is out. Alright guys, so I just finished installing all of the lifters and it is 5:06 and they're all in. Now I just have to find a new gasket. Tomorrow I'm gonna buy some RTV. You have to put them on like the corners, especially over here, and we'll be good to go.